the answer to this? Back in class. Come on.
Wait. Since we don't go to lunch till later, man, I get a snack.
You know what? Go ahead. Everybody take your snacks.
Hey, can I have a snack?
Yeah.
Sit down.
Hey.
That's not a snack.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. I'm out. How long it takes?
So, Mr. Barksdale, it looks like you were late to class. Will you explain to me why?
Well, I was in the cafeteria in the morning. Finished eating my breakfast, and I wanted to eat some candy. I ate my candy. When I finished eating my candy, I realized I had chocolate all over my hands. So I went in the restroom to wash my hands off. Then the water started running. It just kept running. I didn't know what to do. I was just panicking at the time. So, I just put my hands in the water, got some soap, and washed my hands. I was going to tell the janitor. I was thinking for a while, like 2 or 3 minutes. But I ain't say nothing.
So you were late to class because you were eating a snack?
Candy is not a snack.
But isn't it?
No.
But isn't it?
No.
I'm quite sure it is.
I'm quite sure it's not.
I'm not going to argue again. Candy is a snack.
Candy is not a snack. Oh!
I really wish I had a snack right now.
Yeah.
I got some candy. Y'all want some?
Yeah.
No, candy's not a snack.
Candy is too a snack.
No, candy's not a snack.
Yeah, huh?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
We don't accept candy from strangers.
You sure you don't want some candy?
So everyone take out your snacks. I'm going to give you some candy, okay?
Candy's not a snack.
Candy's not a snack.
Candy's not a snack.
Candy's not a snack. If you think that you are wet. Candy's not a snack. If you think that you are wet. Candy's not a snack. If you think that you are wet. Candy's not a snack. If you think that you are wet.
Yes.
Wait.
Go to the back of class. Warren.
Girl, I thought you broke through.
He keep laughing.
Amari, go to the back of the class. Now. Kamari. Go to the back of class. Kamari.
Since we won't go to lunch till later, can I get a snack?
Yeah, go ahead. Everybody
Wait.
get your snacks. Back of class. Kamari. Kamari. Back of the class. Kamari. What's the answer to this problem? Back of the class. Kamari.
Why are we starting over?
We're not.
Oh my God.
I'm going to yell action.
How long it takes?
So, Mr. Barksdale, you've been late 3 times this week. Will you explain to me why?
What's...
I ain't doing anything.
Not supposed to talk yet.
How long it takes?
So, Mr. Barksdale, you were late to class again. Will you explain to me why?
See, what happened was, I was in the cafeteria. I was eating breakfast, right? So, after I got done eating my breakfast, I had to wash my hands because it was chocolate everywhere.
Chocolate for breakfast.
I mean, I had it after I was finished eating my breakfast. So, I went in the bathroom. I put soap in my hand, had the water running. How long it takes?
So you were late to class today, Mr. Barksdale. Explain to me why that is.
I was in the cafeteria eating my breakfast. And after I got done eating my breakfast, I ate some candy. I went to the restroom because candy was all on my hands. And I wanted to wash my hands off.
So you were eating a snack and that's why you were late to class?
No, I wasn't eating the snack. I was eating candy. Oh my. Wait till film pass. Phil pass.
Phil,
I really wish I had a snack right now.
I got some candy. Y'all want some?
Yeah. No, candy's not a snack.
Candy is too a snack.
No, candy's not a snack.
Yes, it is.
Wait! You sure you don't want some candy? No! No, it's not. No. Oh, you're supposed to do it.
Oh! She said no, it's not.
Alright, come on. Okay,
That's fine. You just got some.
So guys, just take out your snacks. I'm gonna give you some candy, okay?
Candy's not a snack.
Candy's not a snack.
Candy's not a snack. Okay, action.
You're the teacher.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Candy's not a snack. Candy's not a snack.
Candy's not a snack.
Candy's not a snack. If you think that you are whack. Candy's not a snack. If you think that you are whack. Candy's not a snack. If you think that you are whack. Candy's not a snack. If you think that you are whack. Candy's not a snack. If you think that you are whack. Candy's not a snack. If you think that you are